Good morning, teacher Laura. Today I am going to talking about my perfect day. Today I am in a luxurious hotel on the island of San Andres. The rooms are comfortable and large. The weather is perfect. It's sunny, but it's very cool. I am going to the beach with my husband and my 3 children. I am having a cocktail and my kids are drinking a delicious juice. Right now it is refreshing. My children are swimming and playing with their dad. Now we are going to the sauna. We are enjoying the massages and the delicious food. We are eating a delicious ice cream and drinking a coconut lemonade. The night is perfect. It's raining, but the weather is warm. Now we are going to play bowling or video games, or better, we can ride a bicycle. We don't know. We can also play tennis or basketball. Here we don't get bored. It is a perfect day for everyone. It's an excellent day for my family. Thanks, teacher. Bye.